Start recording. Alright. This is my, like, what, 4th time attempt at learning this game, knowing nothing about it and just clicking around. Wow. You know, dude, we'll skip this because we've seen it, 3 times? 4 times? I forget. I don't keep count of things. Like days. Okay, fire. We're gonna run away from you and we're gonna come back. Sure, that's the way you want to work. Answer. Now we run away. We run, and we run, and we run. We get this happening. Anything, be gone! And we wait for a feather to drop. I don't believe a feather will drop. Cattails are very important. Make cordage. Oh yeah, you wanna come over here and start making trouble, huh? Making ruckus for wolves. Oh yes! Sweet! Okay, awesome. It just gave me the best start I could possibly hope for. So let's go into our inventory, and we're gonna use our jar. And go to crafting. And then make ready for it. Ah! Didn't want to use it twice. We'll also make some clean water. Alright. Now I have 9. Thanks. I looted this already. Yeah. Search bit. Okay, success. Quest. But I just did it too soon! What are you barking at, stupid dog? Make some pants. Alright, I want to see my inventory. What's going on? Move to the dog. Clean water. Move to the dog. Move to the dog. Move to the dog. Move to the dog, dude. Oh, his bag is full. Move to the dog. How many? Dang it, Bobby, I didn't get my quest because, I mean, does it have rewards? Dang it, Bobby, why didn't you just wait to create the knife so you then could have collected it? Oh, man. No. That's not bullshit right there. Alright. Alright. We pay attention for peripherals. Here. Once little circles start popping up, I need to be aware of them. Because I get really lost in all this game that I'm lost in right now. Oh god, it's so beautiful. Oh, what is this? Yeah, I'll shut up now.
Whether we are weak and
woo, hitting some rapid, boy. Oh, Jesus. Jesus can't save us now. I'm with Moses here. He made the sea. You can sure as damn well part it. Come on, dog. I know you're Moses. Can't hide from me. Region 1 of 10. Pretty cool. Yeah. Wow. Okay. Here's my first circle. Looks like campsite. Oh god. Jeez. I didn't know if I wanted to come over here, but you know, this game, you gotta go with the flow. That's the thing. You gotta go with the flow. Alright. Game is stunning. I am thoroughly loving this. Like, I just need supplies so I can sit here all night and play this. Like, I'm about to stop stream and go to Walgreens, drop a 20, drop a 20, dropping 20s, dropping 20s, dropping 20s. Yeah, so this is my part of the song, you see. So I'm gonna drop 20s, huh? I'm gonna get some flips and dips and chips. Oh, and what else? I'm gonna get some beef jerkies and some cheese and... Alright, now I can repair some stuff. Nice. It's always nice. Use fire. Let's take a sit by it. Let's just hang out. I want to... I could... Oh, I can make a stone hammer, but I don't have the quest for it yet. I really want to check out it. Oh wait, I need to make a campfire. That's what that's saying. So I need to find a dry tinder, which... Just using a tinder doesn't work. It has to be a dry tinder. Dang, that's some stuff. That's weird. I feel like I can make some boots. Or some pants. My body temperature is 100, so I don't have to be insulated yet. I'm assuming 100 is healthy and normal, like all the other bars are full. Help. Help. No. But, stone hammer, perhaps. But I want to get that. We'll wait till we find that dry tinder. Yes, we're leaving. Thanks for looking at me. So wait, oh, I'm God because I am commanding her. Oh no. Devil's trumpet. Oh hell yeah. Oh hell yeah. Yeah, I'm excited about that too, buddy. And we're gonna see if we can do anything with this real quick. Let's sit down. We're gonna hang out for a second. What is this, dude? Food poisoning. Consume. Thank you. Where's it? Yeah. Leave that. Oh, but it made it leave? Oh my god. Okay. The food poisoning is amazing. Wow. That was awesome. But I totally wasted. I wasted my hit, man. I wasted my hit. Oh man. I wasted it. Let's sit. Why am I doing this again? I didn't want it. Ah! Whatever. I have another cord. Get me out of the... Okay. Need to get away from this. Need to get away from this. Okay. And before I get on my craft, I'm gonna check my inventory around my craft to see... It's a brand new thing. Okay. But you still have schematic, right? You better have schematic. Yeah, he has schematic. You don't have to carry around this discarded dirty rag. I don't need that right now. No, wait, I can leave it literally right there? Well, because it spawns new... Yeah, that's stupid. Okay. Even hoe over here. Oh, we gotta go with the flow. Alright, we'll hit that one then. Unless the flow allows us to go over here, then that would be cool. Oh, I don't want to be hitting things like this already. Alright. Okay, I want to dock over here and not hit this little island. Okay. Hopefully we can find some dry tinder or whatever. I should have maybe checked out fire to see if that had any. And if a boar's on this island, I am running so fast and hard. I am food poisoned, which actually I was today. So like, more cattails. Oh my god, so many cattails. So many cattails. Yes. don't have to worry about those for a second. It's amazing. It's not gonna give me all this cattails without spawning a boar right here. Guarantee you that. No signs of rabbits or anything either. No, it doesn't look... What is that? Oh jeez. Oh god, they're ants. Oh jeez. Ow. Oh jeez, those are ants. Those are ants. Ants are a real thing and they suck. Can I bottle them? That's why I need boots. Or something. I don't know. But, ow. Ow, ow, ow. You stupid ants. Oh no, no, I didn't want to get on this yet. I wanted to drink waters and things. So we'll go over here and we'll eat and all that stuff. If we can heave and hove over there. One more. Oh, denied. Denied. Alright, let's try to get on this quickly then. Oh no, don't hit that. Okay. Alright, we're just going with the flow here. Chilling. I'm getting away from these eyes because I really, really do not enjoy them staring at me as intently as they are. Oh god, now I'm just getting closer to more of them. Okay. I'm so hungry. Alright. Starvation, it like hits in the bottom. Dehydration, yes, have more water. Cannot drink water yet. Oh no, I have stalled out. Oh jeez, so there's anti-rapids as well. I gotta use all my energy and thirst to get to this campsite. Yes. Alright, alright. If there's a boar on this island, like, good game. Okay, so I got ant bites, which isn't fun. That's not cool at all. Okay, there's a rabbit here that lives here. We'll come back for him. Alright, my inventory is full. So let's just go ahead and like... consume. Yeah, that gets us like 50 points. Alright, let's... don't need that quite yet. Clean water from the rain, awesome. Let's move that. Burn. Cattail. What is it? Quit calling your wolves. Get out of here. I don't know if it's calling a wolf or what, but I just don't like them squawking at me. What is this? Water. Oh, drink it. You're full of water. Oh yeah. Quit making so much noise, dude. Oh god. Oh jeez. That's why he was making noise. That's why he was making noise. Oh, why is there a boar? I thought this was a campsite. Okay. Hopefully the rabbit distracts him enough. I'm not leaving until I have to leave. Because I swear there's more to this island than what just happened to me. Okay. I could try to catch rabbits. If I can make snares yet. Aha! I'm gonna catch me a rabbit. I'm gonna eat it so good. I'm gonna catch me a rabbit. Good boy. They ran off over there, so they built it there. Alright, little rabbits, we gonna get you. Oh, I already sprung. Oh, those are rabbits, okay. Okay, now what do I do to retrieve said rabbit? Once it's... Oh. Okay, well I killed the rabbit. Pretty hungry. If I can find a fire, then oh my god, dude. Okay. Okay, now we got some sunlight and stuff. That's nice. I don't know. Oh god, there he was. Okay. Oh jeez. Oh jeez. Oh no. Oh no. Oh jeez. Use fire. Light! Light! Oh jeez. Use fire. Light! Light! Ah! Crash right there! Ah! Sleep. Sleep. Hopefully he'll go away in 4 hours and he won't be standing outside. Oh yeah. Deploy? Oh, I can't even eat it? Okay. And I have to make dry tinder. So, tinder. I want to eat this rabbit. I don't want to just skin it. Get out of here. Use fire. Light it. Yes. Yes, cancel the action. Oh my god. Okay. He's... oh my god. Okay. Okay. Hopefully symptoms of food poisoning, which I don't know if I'm still having, but I definitely want to eat this rabbit. Deploy? Cannot deploy fire. I don't want to leave the fire. Oh, if this fire goes away. Use fire. Sit. Perhaps I need to skin rabbit first, and then I have rabbit to meat. Jeez. Oh, jeez. Okay, now we have meat. I want to, use the meat. Parasites! Oh, because I didn't want to consume it, I wanted to use it! What? Wait, what? Okay, now I definitely have food poisoning. Oh, I have parasites and a broken bone. And I am not at all less hungry. So we are gonna move that to dog. We're gonna move... We don't have to... They give us new ones of those each time. A whole bunch of cattails is amazing to have, so I don't wanna... Wait, I can eat those? It's kind of pointless to do that though right now. Move. Old lumber seems to be really rare. But a rabbit hide, once I start catching more rabbits, that's not a problem. I got my 2 flints, I got my cattails, I can build a new knife right from the get-go. Let's do this. A moldy lump. Alright, I'm going out of this world tripping. No, I wanted to consume it. Oh man, no. Oh, you're so poor, I don't even care. Stupid boy, come on, pet it. I want to pet the boy, come here. And come pet the boy. Come on, come on, come on. I want to come pet you. I want to pet you. I'm gonna get you, boy. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. Come here. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. Come back here. Oh, you got me. Oh wait, no! I shouldn't have tapped on that, because I could have still crawled around. Oh wait, I can still crawl around. It's okay, I'm still going, buddy. Oh, get away from me. Ow. Ow. Oh, jeez. Oh, he didn't leave. He was just waiting for me to wake up. Oh, what an evil, evil, evil person. Alrighty, stopping. And if I really want to get a meal or something, what am I gonna get? Like, what, a burger, fucking chicken, and like a big ass fucking